Hello and welcome to this video which aims to introduce our brand new release of Beas Manufacturing 2024.09. In this version, we concentrated on various improvements in the integration with Produmex WMS, screen and performance improvements and substantial bug fixing. Let's see all these in detail. Now Beas allows MRP calculation to filter available stock by WMS quality status. With this improvement, users can ignore blocked or any other quality statuses in the MRP calculation. This parameter has the same functionality as the parameter locked batches are disposable, but in this case the user can define any WMS status to be considered by the system. To work with this new parameter, you must define the selected quality status in the MRP configuration settings. If the parameter is empty, all quality statuses are considered. This parameter is only available in the WMS database. If WMS is not installed, this parameter will be hidden for end users. Now, after the calculation process is finished, the system will display the available stock in the column warehouse stock, considering the selected quality statuses. In the previous 2024.06 version of Beas Manufacturing, we added a new filter for the work order goods issue function in the desktop version. With it you can filter results by WMS zones or bin locations. This filter has now been extended to the web app version of the functionality. We fixed a bug in which Beas ignored the flag order times enter of operation types during the work order start process. Now Beas reads the parameter and only displays the operations with the flag order time enter active in the work order start web app and the login order desktop terminal app. In the following two examples, operation 10 of the marked work order has the flag order times enter off, and as a result it is hidden in the operation list of the login order desktop terminal app, in the work order start web app. We introduced a usability improvement in the quality control template. The QC template editing window now can hide or show several fields depending on the type of input. The usability of the purchase request window has been improved. Now the item code field is editable and allows end users to type the code directly and not only to select the drop-down functionality. The supplier field also applies a validation to allow the input of valid suppliers only. The price field has been relocated below the quantity fields, because when the user modifies the quantity or the supplier, the price is recalculated. This concludes our introduction to the 2024.09 version of Beas Manufacturing. According to our release roadmap, our next version will be 2024.11 to be released at the end of November 2024. If you have any questions or comments, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you very much and please stay tuned for our upcoming videos.